Hi artists! The purpose of this video is to model for you how to create your Roy Lichtenstein inspired composition. We talked about how Roy Lichtenstein was involved in pop art. His work was very vibrant in color. He used explosive text. So you can use some of these options in Sketchpad. I'm going to first click on the shape tool, drop down, and now I have all of these shapes that I can work with. I'm going to choose a radial burst, and I'm going to draw that out from the center. Now I want to change the color to be bright, just like Roy Lichtenstein. So I'm going to click on these three lines where it says Styles, and I'm going to change the color. I want to pick colors more towards the bottom because those are brighter. I'm going to pick that bright yellow. And then I'm going to click that check mark. Now I'm going to do another radial burst. And I'm going to just shift it slightly. And same thing, styles. And I'm going to change that color. Check mark. Now I can go back to my select tool and I can move this. Maybe I want it to be turned more this way. I want it to have a slight overlap. I can also change my shape. Maybe I want to do just a regular burst, not so much a radial burst. Styles, fill, and let's go with a bright blue. And again, I want to go to my select tool so that I can move it to exactly where I want. I can also use the paint bucket to fill in my background. Maybe I want to fill my background in with a bright green. I want it even brighter. Now I'm going to take the T for text and I'm going to type in a word, maybe pop, just like pop art. And I want to make sure that my word is selected. I'm going to go to Styles, and at the top here where it says Source Sans Pro, that's just the name of the font. I'm going to click the caret down, and now I have all of these different options to change pop. And as you scroll over them, you'll see the example on the side. Once you decide which font you want to use, you can also change the outline of the font. So maybe I want to have a purple outline, and I'm going to change the line width. Or maybe I want the fill to be pink. Maybe I want the fill to be yellow and the outline to be black. And you'll see that it's changing back here. So once I decide, I'm going to go back to my select. I'm going to turn this to the side and I'm going to make it even bigger. And now I have my Roy Lichtenstein inspired pop art piece. I hope this video was helpful.